that you are here, and I hope you have watched my previous video about Upwork profiles and how to set up yours. And I also hope that you have already set up your profile and ready to win the jobs on Upwork. But before moving on, there is one thing we should consider, which is a less known trick that I really want to share with you. This is actually an Upwork hack related to profiles, and it will make it very easy for you to enhance your profile and have one of the best profiles on the Upwork platform, because profiles are important. Having a good profile can win you more jobs and more invitations. Besides that, having a full profile makes you eligible to some of the Upwork badges. So let's just jump to the business. What we are going to do is a very simple task. We are just going to Google and search for the best Upwork designers, developers, or anything based on your specialization. For example, when I was filling up my profile, I looked for best Upwork developers. Now, let's go and search for best Upwork designers, which I have already searched for. Yep, and here we can find the list of best designers on Upwork. Really? Don't we? Yeah, here. UI, graphic art, web, or anything. Just go on to motion design. One thing before we start going through the profiles and pictures, you should be aware that Upwork has strict policies against plagiarism and copy-pasting, and you shouldn't copy-paste other freelancers' descriptions, portfolios, and so on. You may be banned from the platform. If you do so, please do not copy-paste. I am going to teach you the things that you can take from profiles, but you shouldn't just copy paste whole overview or whole profile section. And let's move on. What we are going to do is just look through all of the list and choose the one that seems like a best match for us, that looks like a good designer for us, because the one that catches our eyes is most likely to catch the client's eyes as well. So I think she is a good graphic designer, and I have this option as well. Let's go for with this freelancer. So he is a video editor, content strategist. Okay. First one, we can look that he is providing a link to his profile. I have recently found out that providing links to your profile is actually prohibited on Upwork, and he might actually get banned if Upwork team finds it out. They haven't found it out because he hasn't included this HTTPS prefix, but it's very risky, and you may get your profile blocked just for this link. The main reason is the client should not be able to contact you outside Upwork, or should not pay you outside Upwork. So this really is against Upwork policy. Do not include your link, please. Do not. Then he is talking about his experience and this 8+ years, okay, and skills. This is like a bunch of things. It seems a little bit difficult to read. I would suggest him to organize and make it separated into small paragraphs and list out the skills by one, because I'm very lazy to read this whole paragraph, and most probably clients are lazy as well. They will just go on quickly, and you should make it really easy to catch. The most useful information should be displayed separately and clearly. You can also use different emojis, icons, and you are free to decorate your overview part as the way you want. Okay, and the end, it should also be a very good, you should also provide a very good ending. Here I would suggest, instead of writing this one, I would suggest you to ask the client to contact you, and just and make sure to remind him that you provide a high quality service, and the client should contact you. That's it. And here we have feedbacks, which is good. Then we have this portfolio section. Let's go for this one. This is beautiful. He has a video.
You can become more valuable and paid even more as a designer by learning to animate like a boss in 30 days, even if you've never even animated in your life before. Why is it that some designers are seen as more valuable and others struggle to be promoted? If you've asked yourself this question before, I know you're probably frustrated. Frustrated that no matter...
Okay, his videos are better than mine. I should also learn how to edit videos. Okay, you can see this profile, and I'm actively building my client base on Instagram, as it's versatile platform with so many new influencers. The problem is I couldn't really get the so it was video editing. I think he has edited these websites, but he hasn't clearly described what he has done with this. There are 3 websites, and I couldn't even understand what was the purpose of this. Make sure to clearly describe the purpose and what you did for the project. Okay, creating releases. Okay, here he is explaining he had created this video editing, and this. Okay, he's providing a link to Instagram to these edits as well, which is good. This is a better one, and like compared to this one, it was vague. It had no description. He is listing out his skills, which is great. Be sure to list out relevant skills, because when someone searches for YouTube, you will appear. And if you don't know, you don't have skills related to YouTube, or even if you're looking for jobs related to web development and not YouTube, do not include it, because it will just waste your time and waste clients' time who is looking for YouTube editors. He has testimonials. You can ask testimonials, which is very good when you are new to Upwork. When you don't have all these ratings, you can ask for testimonials who are from your non-Upwork clients, and this can be a really good starting point for your career on Upwork. Employment history. Okay, great. The takeaway from here is to have a good profile picture. It looks professional and neutral, I would say. It's not so professional, no, not so imperfect or informal. Okay, it's somewhere between, and it really catches the eyes. And do not include the link to your profile. Never do that. Do not include a link to your website if you have your contacts there. And list out your skills. Do not write big paragraphs, and include portfolio projects. Let's move on. We can choose another freelancer. You have 2 options here as well. This looks good to me, and this one. Both of them have 5 stars. I don't even know which one to choose. Motion graphics, GIF, floaty animation, video editing, low animation, videography, 2D animation, mixing, sound design. Okay, $25 and $75. let's go for this one. It was a very hard choice. So, okay, not a very good description. Used software started well, but I thought there was something else, but it's just dots. I'm a motion designer. Okay, this is enough for one paragraph. She should move this one to the new line. It will be better. Let's go to her portfolio section, which is full. Let's read one of them. Okay, see. Logo. Okay. I think that's a list of her projects. Animated logos. Delivery time is about 3 days. Aha. Okay, she's talking about the work process. And what is here? Okay, this seems like a good video. Then there is a project description. Looks good. Looks good to me. Beautiful. And she also includes this project catalog. This is a new way where you can show the clients your services. This is the costs provided, and this is some pictures. Yeah, the video we have seen. Be sure to upload your own videos here, because plagiarism is very strictly regulated on Upwork. If you just copy paste a video or image from internet here, claiming that that's yours, they will not post it. They will find out very soon. Some details about it, and then reviews. Let's go back. Okay. Upwork skills, list out your certifications here. I have also listed out my IELTS certificate. Even if it's not related to web design, most clients are looking for fluent English speakers, and it helps a lot. Having, for example, having this IELTS certificate also gave me this badge next to my English skill verified. Okay, let's look at this last profile. Okay, testimonials. One important part is here, he has included his testimonials. Many freelancers do so. It's really interesting to read what other clients think about him. It's a good way to show off your skills. Excellent work. Okay, so he has just copy pasted the feedback from clients, but copy pasting so many of them is not important. Just copy paste one or two, the ones that you really like. He has no feedback given. It's very bad. I will be talking about how to get the right jobs in the next video. Be sure to follow so that you won't end up without feedback for most of your jobs. Actually, copy pasting this feedbacks is helping him because he almost has no feedback here. Oh, except this short one. He has a long list of portfolio. Okay, this one is actually a good portfolio project. He's talking about his role. He video edited and motion graphics. He has done these skills, then project goal. Okay, someone wanted content for his YouTube channel. He animated and edited everything. Did it just download? I couldn't understand. I was expecting a video. Oh, okay, here is the video. He edited the footage, color graded. Successful project. Let's see.
Vitamin E acetate, an additive sometimes used in THC and other vaping products, may be the culprit in vaping-related lung diseases, at least according to the CDC. These lung injuries have been so severe that it's actually caused a few dozen people to die. Shortness of breath, chest pain, low-grade fever, nausea, vomiting, a little bit of abdominal cramping, and some diarrhea. As it turns out, he was vaping THC. He told me that he vaped Juul, although I did not ask what the specific flavor was.
Okay, you can see his video editing skills from this video. And we have another one. I really like the way he is describing his own projects. And then skills and so on. Okay, to sum up our today's lesson, you should have a good project video. No, sorry, I was thinking about videos. Okay, so you have a good picture, and then you have a short title, and then you introduce yourself and skills and experience in the first sentences. Then you list out your skills. You can just write, feel free to contact me or something else. And then you should have a good list of portfolio projects. I also have them, and have skills that are related to your field and your project catalog. And then you can include testimonials. Be sure to include certifications. And of course, employment history and other experiences if you have them. And then you are ready to find jobs and to win jobs on Upwork. As a final note, I want to remind again, do not copy paste, just learn the techniques and try to apply them, try to be honest when writing your portfolios. And I wish you good luck. In the next video, we'll be talking about how to write your first proposal that actually wins the job. And I will be showing the samples of my proposals that have won lots of jobs on Upwork. So be sure to subscribe and do not miss out the next video. Bye bye!